Let me ask you something. How many hours have you spent tweaking landing pages, writing ebooks, and building lead magnets, only to watch 98% of your traffic bounce without giving you their email? You know interactive content works. Quizzes, calculators, assessments, but every tool out there either costs $20,000 plus a year or requires a developer just to change a button color. You're stuck, and it's not your fault. Until now, you had two choices. Option 1, pay enterprise prices for tools like Outgrow or Ion. Beautiful, yes, but $10K to $50K per year and still need a team to run them. Option 2, hack something together with Typeform or Google Forms and pray it converts. Both leave money on the table. But there's a third option nobody saw coming. Meet Interactify. Interactify is the first AI-powered, no-code platform that lets any marketer, yes, even if you've never coded a single line, create, launch, and optimize high-converting interactive experiences in minutes. Quizzes, ROI calculators, product recommenders, graded assessments, polls, giveaways, you name it, we've got it, and our built-in AI writes most of it for you. Here's the secret. Static content is forgettable. Interactive content is memorable. When someone answers questions about their biggest challenge, their budget, their goals, they're psychologically investing. Completion rates skyrocket, up to 50% higher. And because they voluntarily tell you their needs, you capture zero-party data, the most valuable data on Earth. That means hyper-personalized follow-up, better segmentation, and leads that actually convert. With Interactify, you get AI that writes your copy and logic for you, unlimited responses on every plan, yes, even free, one-click integrations with MailChimp, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, Zapier, you name it, real-time analytics plus A/B testing on higher plans, and new features shipping every month based on what users actually asked for, all for a fraction of what the big guys charge. So here's the deal. Click the button below and start building your first interactive experience in the next 10 minutes, completely free. Keep it forever on the free plan, or upgrade only when you're addicted to the leads rolling in. No contracts, cancel anytime. And if you don't 2x your lead quality in the first 30 days, we'll personally jump on a call and fix it for you. Click below right now and turn your boring website into a lead-generating machine. Interactify, where engagement meets conversion. I'll see you inside.